Hi everybody. In this tutorial we are going to learn about scenario manager and how to do it on Excel. So since we have already covered goal seek and data tables, so we will take the same question. So imagine that you are a car manufacturer who manufactures 2000 cars per annum at a unit cost of 1 lakh rupee. So you can sell these cars either through approved stockist at a price of 2,50,000 or you can sell in open market, which is 3 lakh rupee. There's a fixed cost of 1 lakh rupee and currently you are selling 40% of your production in the open market. Now in third question they are saying let us assume the following scenarios. So there is a change in more than two variables. So whenever that happens we always use scenario manager. So this is the information that is given to us in the question. So let me just copy this information for our solution and I'll paste it here. So if you see in scenario A, they are telling us that the proportion sold in open market is 30%, unit price, that is selling price, is 3 lakh and fixed cost is 1 lakh. Now this keeps on changing. So they have given us different scenarios and we have to estimate the profits for all these scenarios. So what I will do is I will go to my data tab, I'll go to what if analysis and go to scenario manager. So first let me just delete all these scenarios and we will create them from fresh from scratch. So let me add first scenario. I can name it anything, scenario, let's say A. Now what are the cells that I have to change, which means what are the inputs that are changing constantly. So if you see the first input that is changing is proportion sold in open market, right. So this is given here, so I will select this cell, then I'll press comma. The next thing that is changing is my selling price in open market. So selling price in open market is given here. So I'll select this cell, then again press comma, and the third variable that is changing is my fixed cost. So which is fixed here. So I'll list all these and I'll just press OK. Now I will have to manually enter the values that is given to me in the question. So I will just write 30% here, and my second was selling price. So this I want to be 3 lakh and my fixed cost will be 1 lakh. So I'll press OK. So one scenario is added. Now I'll add another scenario. I can name it as scenario B. Again I will have to change the cells. So I'm just doing it again for your reference, otherwise you can keep it same because it's not changing again and again, the reference part. And the last is my fixed cost. I'll press OK. Now I'll enter the next one, which is 0.501, and my selling price here is now changing to 3,50,000 and my fixed cost is changing to 1,20,000. I'll press OK. I'll add one more scenario. Let's name it as scenario C. My changing cells are the same. I'll press OK. Now the percentage sold in open market is 70%. The selling price is 4 lakh and my fixed cost is now 1,25,000 and I'll again press OK. So now we just have to add the last scenario, which is scenario D. Let me press OK. The percentage sold is here 100%. Selling price is 4,50,000 and my fixed cost is 1,35,000. Now I'll press show. I'll go to summary. So I'll just press OK, scenario summary. So you see it will show the output in a different sheet, and now I can see my different kinds of profit as and when I change all the three variables, right. So these are my scenarios and this is the solution, right. So that was it for scenario manager, and thank you for listening.